What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to day 4 of our Florida trip. And guess what we're about to do? If you guys haven't watched the last video, the video before that, we're going to the pool again. So we're with Aiden, who's packing up his cooler once again. Throwing all the ices in there.
What?
Throwing all the ice in there. Can you Salt Bae the ice for me? Can you do the Salt Bae? And demonetized. So yeah, we're going to the pool today again because why not? We're in Florida. We're enjoying our time down here. We're going swimming every day, whatever. I'm still sunburnt.
She's my its. Sorry.
So we're just getting ready to go down there and enjoy our time at the beach today, or not the beach, the pool, because the waves are looking wild today.
It's a red flag.
That's a red flag out.
Yep.
So yeah, definitely not a good idea to go. You trying to get wrecked on the waves, son? Oh, well in that case.
Maybe you can do the job for me. I was trying to drown myself. Maybe Mother Nature can do it for me.
Aw, that's sad.
I'm just gonna jump off the balcony.
Oh, commit a felony in the state of Florida.
Yeah, I don't plan on doing it.
But yeah, so.
Look at that girl's ass.
Oh man.
Please don't throw up.
I almost did it, almost game.
Get down there.
But anyway, we're about to get rolling. We're waiting, and I think your towel's still in the dryer, isn't it?
No, it's right here.
Oh! Well, I guess we're gonna go change it out and be ready to rock. Are you reenacting the scene from SpongeBob?
She's in my its.
Oh crap! I don't know.
Jordan's about to go to the fucking glass.
Yeah.
Fall down in the pool.
I was about to long jump, backwards long jump to the glass. But anyway, we're gonna enjoy the day today. It's gonna be a fun day. I don't know what we've got going on today, but besides going to the pool.
Hey, guess what?
Oh no.
That's what queers have been here.
No one.
Oh, Grandma.
Oh. Hayden's not drunk this time. This is just Hayden's sense of humor.
Your Wi-Fi still doesn't work.
That looks like my handwriting.
Yeah, it does. Must have been a toddler.
Okay.
Let's see. We enjoyed your condo very much. No, it's okay. I'm looking for the funny ones. Look for the memes. Oh my god, they have fucked us up.
And
Who wrote a goddamn book? The fuck?
have you seen the entire Boo movie script? He also was.
We thoroughly enjoyed our stay at Yukon upstate.
One thing I hate is the freaking AC here sucks.
The what?
The AC.
That's in my room.
I'm talking like it cuts off randomly.
Oh yeah, that's stupid.
And it's just like, well, come back on for like an hour and a half. But yeah, so I guess we're gonna go get changed out, get ready to go. I'm wearing my Roast Tire shirt today because I had to. And I guess I didn't know what I don't know what the plan is today. I think we're just gonna enjoy ourselves and see what the day takes us, because it's kind of the joy of being on vacation. You don't know what's on the plan. Oh gosh, Hayden, if I swear everything.
Too big.
But
Too big. Oh,
I guess,
Grandma.
oh, I guess that's the joy of being on vacation. You don't know what the day brings. So I guess, yeah, we're going to get changed. We're going to head down to the pool. You know, I thought Hayden was about to kill me. We'll catch you guys later. All right, guys, so it's been quite a while since the last time I pulled the camera out. So we went and saw Endgame today. I have a lot of questions.
Spoilers.
No, Hayden. But it's not be those guys. But lots of questions about that. But it was a fantastic movie. I enjoyed it a lot. Just upset about the ending. As I was with Infinity War, actually, too. But now we're just going to go to Pier Park, walk around, and enjoy the rest of our evening. We went to the pool again, which is one of the reasons why we haven't picked up the camera in a few hours. But our favorite person from yesterday's videos, but yep, he's done. From the last video's done. Not quite as bad as last time, but still pretty good. But anyway, we're gonna go to Pier Park, walk around, and enjoy the night. All right, guys, so that wraps up day 4. Yeah, day 4. Yeah, day 4. So All right, guys, that wraps up day 4. So, yeah, we had a fun afternoon. Went out and saw a game. Fantastic movie. Again, the ending had me a little upset, but no biggie. It's a perfect way to stop the series. If they were done making Avengers movies, I wouldn't be upset at this point. But anyway, we went and saw that, and then we came back and we walked at Pier Park and enjoy the rest of our evening. We came back, watched some 1320 video, because that's been the routine. We'll come home and watch some 1320 video before we go to bed. So tomorrow is our last day. I don't know what exactly we've got planned tomorrow, but we're just going to try to make the best of our last day here. Probably just going to go out and enjoy the town a little bit more. If I had to guess, I really don't know what we're doing. So anyway, I'll keep you guys up to date on what we're doing tomorrow. I guess I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome to the final day of the Florida trip. We're getting ready to go down to the pool for the last time. I'm probably going to bring the phone with me this time to actually shoot some shots of the pool and all that. Probably going to start packing tonight as soon as we get back. Probably as soon as we get back from the pool. So yeah, we're going to get on with the day. I don't know what is in store today. I've said that a lot this week, but that's literally how it's been. It's vacation, so you don't know what's in store. So the weather isn't like perfect. It's cloudy off and on and all that stuff. Apparently it's plenty warm down there, so we're just gonna go out there and enjoy it. And I'll come back to you guys later on in the day when we get back and see what the rest of the day holds. Alright guys, so I just got back home, and I know it's been a while since I put the camera up on this last video, but I wanted to close out the day, close out the series with a huge thank you to everyone who tuned in to every video. I know they were long, and Sport Trac Content is going to start coming back forward. I've got a few ideas for videos on the truck. I'd actually like to see what you guys wanted me to talk about with the truck down in the comments. If you have any cool video ideas for Sport Trac related content over the next few weeks, let me know. I don't know about mods yet. I'm going to start saving up for my big engine build, so obviously, mod funds are going to be on the short side, but we're going to make it work. We're going to try to do the best we can, but I've got a video to film for RT2, so yeah, this is going to be awesome. So this is actually my 2010 Mac Pro that I purchased about 3 weeks ago, and it got here on the Monday I left. Like literally as soon as I got to my school to take my final for the day 1 video. This had just pulled in. So this is the keyboard that Hayden left me. I think these are Hayden's headphones. I don't know how these wound up with it, but pretty good. It's not like mechanical sounding, but it's good. So it'll work fine. It's a Windows keyboard, but works with Mac. So we're just going to use that. And yeah, I don't know what else in this box to make it so big, but we'll find out over in RT2. So if you haven't already and you're curious about the Mac Pro, I've never seen the physical condition of this computer. All they had were stock photos and said it was refurbished. So I'm about to find out what this thing looks like. So if you haven't already, go subscribe to RT2 for more of my like tech and gaming stuff and all that kind of crap. So all said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Again, leave comments for Sport Trac Content down below, and take care, guys.